Sunrise to sunset and all through the night, my heart's on an island of isles. In the land of the dawn, the heartbeat is strong, the heartbeat of Unamagi. Unamagi, don't tell Jiwelamuk, make my way at Liganan, through the valleys and glens, from the hills to the sea, where the big sea, Unamagi. This place is for you, this place is for me, where the big sea, my Unamagi. Lalio. Okay. Introduce this one. Can I sing one more? Carter, you take forever. Maybe I am Galo just in a disguise. Maybe she. Maybe. Okay to have a little lull in the show. Hello, Kitani. I love you, Kitani.
So, we had this viral video, and not sure how that happened actually. What was it, in September or October? Jaime Battist, if you're here, had this amazing showcase here, Mi'kmaq music. I hope I'm saying this right, Onudok? Onudal. Anyway, so Jaime asked us to play, and there's a funny story there. Jaime asked Giselle, who works with him, do you happen to know Emma? And Emma's Giselle's sister. Anyway, so we get asked to play this, and it's the idea of the show is that it's original Mi'kmaq music content. And we didn't have enough music. We didn't have songs. So I just had this idea. Let's translate Blackbird by the Beatles into Mi'kmaq. And that's how this got started. Anyway, long story short, I think Newell Johnson, my boss, is right there. Thank you, Newell. Said, Kitani could do that. She's a language consultant now. Anyway, within like a day or two, we had this beautiful version of Blackbird. We performed it there, and then just on a whim, we said, hey, this is an easy song to record, hopefully. And we did it. We made a little video for our class, and long and behold, we got this video that's being seen all over the world. It's closing in on 400,000 views. There's invitations coming from all over the place. Yesterday, on 300 radio stations across the United States, Emma was heard singing Blackbird in Mi'kmaq. Yeah. Pretty wild. Like I said, she's singing at the United Nations, speaking at the United Nations in a couple weeks. She's been invited to an elite music camp this summer in the United States on a full scholarship. What else? Singing in Ottawa at the end of June, and lots more. Playing the final show at Celtic Colors in October. Big things. Anyway, here we go. Wish us luck, because this is a hard song to play on the guitar.
Budaliskia jwabane hinto Kanama seed lai jadim Del bedelsin Eskamada musum nekniges minjasin Giovanni Hinto, Ola Binnigan, Middigan, Del Bedausen, Eskamadamu, some Neknigasayasin, Boodali Skietch, Lijasi, Don was a deck morning by Duke. Setek bonik baik duk. Puliskia juabene hinto, Knamar seat lai jadim, Del bedausen. Eskamadamu some neknige minjasin. Eskamadamu some neknige minjasin. Eskamadamu some neknige minjasin.
Well, Alio, and I couldn't frickin' trick you guys with the fake ending.
That was truly, truly amazing. That's history being made, folks. That's history. And also, I believe John Lennon and the Beatles, their YouTube went up because when I heard this song, I went and Googled original. This one is better than the original. Just saying. Just saying. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome everybody here to our conference here today. My name is Jeff Ward. Jeff Ward. It's a true honor to have you here. I've been captured by a beautiful Indian princess from and taken away from Metabanagia and brought here to Membertou. It's an amazing place. I'd like to welcome everybody here to Membertou. How about a big round of applause for the Trade Convention Center staff? How about a big round of applause for MK staff? And how about a big round of applause for the Membertou Chief and Council for making this happen here today, by having the vision, by building this Trade and Convention Center, by building that Hampton, building that Heritage Park, and thank God for that Tim Hortons right over there. So if you haven't found out where Tim Hortons is, it's just 2 blocks over. Also, how about a big round of applause for our latest addition, Membertou Lanes. Who's going bowling tonight? No? Or a few people. All right, Membertou Lanes, amazing place. On behalf of our Chief of Council, our leadership, on behalf of Chief Terry, we'd like to welcome you. Walalio, thank you and thank everybody for being here today. We have a short little video here, and I'd also like to invite our next speaker up at this time. Want to keep this right on line, right on schedule. It's a true honor to be your MC today. If you don't know who I am, welcome to Canada, because I am Super Naelig. Super Naelig. I got a certificate at the wall that says Super Naelig. Signed by the elders right here in Membertou. So I MC a lot of powwows, MC a lot of things, and it's good to see 3/4 of my family here. From Listugush, from New Brunswick. Holy. I saw my uncle. My uncle's here somewhere, a couple of them. Yeah. And then I saw about 3 of my dads, too. Still waiting for that payment, though. In the meantime, we're going to show a short little video. Cue the video, and also like to invite our keynote speaker. Keynote speaker, make your way up at this time. I do have a microphone for you. Okay, I thought that was going to go a little smoother than it did. Take two. Oh, here we go.
Smagnis meruibul nadijek kekam deliyewul chabijing niskam guchukdod genaji gikchubugwadinet niskam guluchieweyang Kekam al deu yached medidaj Niskam gucheuktod Jemu sachpigoni ewan Smagnisk meruibel nadijek Kekam deliwantachi chabijing Niskam guluchukdod Quijul maliale malisin El komik tu ajewocho Niskam gizuksidawi ukas Guluchi ewektu Jemu sachpigoni ewan Smagnisk meruibel nadijek Kekan deliyewul chabijing Niskam guluchukdod
Kisah Ramadie wagi setan welimpusi
Okay, while AV works on that, hopefully they'll get us started really quick again. Oh, keep talking, or you're going to roll it? Oh, it's still playing. I beg to differ. Okay, while we get that, I'd just like to acknowledge how we're doing things today, and it's done in an amazing fashion where we're acknowledging our ancestors, and that's a very important word when we talk about Jija Amij, your ancestors. But when we look at that word, it also means your big shadow, or all the people that you represent, the 7 generations that are behind you. And when you see these videos of your elders that hold on to that language, that hold on to these words, and the ceremonies, they are in us. They're instilled in us. They're in our DNA. Because we talk about stuff like intergenerational trauma, which we need to speak about at another date, another time, another place. But our language is ingrained in us. And it's in our blood. It's in our places. and is very describes what we do. So when we look at our ancestors, it's very important to acknowledge that and the old meaning, the old words. We just did a play, Tales of Glooskap, up at the university, Cape Breton University at CBU, or also known as CBU. Let that sink in. That's where I graduated. CBU. And I could do that all day, folks. And I probably will, every chance I get. And we did Tales of Glooskap, and we brought back an old word, Nugami. When I talked to Nugami, I said Nugami. And when I talked to I said Nugamidge. You know, that's the old, we don't use that term very much. You know, that's the old word. And we wanted to bring that back. Biggie Jew, Jew, Mom, you know, those are the words, Gaju, here at Gaju's restaurant. And, but we got to remember those old words and bring them back the best way we can. So I don't know if we're going to get that video again, so we're going to work on that video. In the meantime, I want to bring up our keynote speaker. And it's a great honor to introduce our keynote speaker, Michelle. I got a chance to work with her this year and be part of a sponsor. And we sponsored and we worked with her for her launching of her book. Giska Jane, are you ready? Giska Jane, are you ready? I want to ask you, Giska Jane. And amazing what she's doing, and a PhD towards her studies and bringing back the written, the old writing style to prove we were not just an oral history, we also had written history. Mind you, everything went oral to be saved, but hieroglyphics, petroglyphics, if the Egyptians could have it, why can't we? Telling you, they have big giant pyramids, we got Kelly's Mountain. We tried to make it into a pyramid. If you go up top, you'll see it. Then we said, nah, never mind, let's go. Me and Graham were there. We were going to turn it into a pyramid. We said, no, we'll do it next week. Also, raise your hand if there's an open chair at your table. Okay, right up here in the corner. All you people on the wall, there's open chairs up here. Also, too, if you look under your chair and you find a number, you got to win the prize. No, you're not going to win a prize. That would have been a good one, though. All right, without further ado, our keynote speaker, Michelle Sillaboy. How about a big round of applause?
Jeff? Yeah. Turn it on. Is it on now? Yeah. Oh, yes. Kishinamale. Britney Spears. Dalu at no one on the WC conference. Kwe. All right. That's the end of my speech. Kaya. Holy mackerel. Baale. I will die, Bechitayo. Muchirab Nahoy Lourdes, I didn't know what to say, but I do know that we have some visitors who don't speak Mi'kmaq here, so I'll do both. I'll do my best, accommodate both. But I wanted to acknowledge one person before I start. Before I wrote the book, I would ask people, I would tell people are asking me, what are you up to? And I would let them know. And one day I got this email, because the first thing I wanted to do was to do a dictionary. I thought I can't do something without a dictionary. And then I got an email from Barbara Denas saying, Michelle, somebody's already done it. And she sent me a file. And I wouldn't have been able to do this book without Barbara. And I wanted to give Barbara. I saw her. Chua Barbara. Okay, I'll come down because I have a mic. I can keep talking. I wanted to acknowledge Barbara because the Denaz family, my whole life, has watched out for me, including Helen, and I admired the whole family. So, wala aliyo. But what people don't know is that Barbara wrote me an excerpt, all in Mi'kmaq. Kadudlim chik tahaway dudel wedum.
Welda swahan. Kom kwejwigasigal pemi abijadumko. Gengi kwinaki, ewi gamidiban. Kijadno pemi sagasikapan. Kadunige pemi kinama sultijik. Staha Michel Sillyboy, which abijadu diddle. Wala we gadigan of tabegi yahanil, ewigasi conquejwigasigo. Iktuk. Maui am squasway delamu we gadigan. Well, das in Nemidu wala na giga. Kedu ginwado Michel, well all the jiggle nook down to do jiggle lugan. I help ni well allin, I seek him kidielmo. Barbara Sillyboy, Wing Clan.
Oh, yes. Wala alin. Make sure she signs it for you. Wala alin. Oh. Oh, God. Akidemi ap Kishigaw. I cried earlier. That was it. I didn't realize the Beatles song would make me cry. But I only brought this up just so that feel like I can think about what I need to say, but I also know I'm going to just speak from here. That's why I asked for a simple mic, because I move a lot. When I was thinking about doing my PhD, I thought about this process for a long time. And if I'm to go back in time, I would go back to when I was a little girl in my father's house, and there was a scroll on the wall of the Lord's Prayer. And you often wonder, how come I can't read that? And over the years, I realized that this interesting piece of history that we all share, and we're all kind of in the same level playing field when it comes to not understanding what our ancestors have preserved for hundreds of years. And so when I was doing my PhD, I started to think about our language. Adan delwemu, adan delji important day, adan del makigna. Another way that realized koi ignamask abjasin every time guduluwen. So I did my undergrad. I thought about this moment. When I did my master's, I thought about this moment. When I started to do my PhD, I thought about this moment. When I started writing poetry, which was like 30 years ago, I thought about this moment with my book. When I say this moment, is how I was going to write my first book. The mugaderum delinkumi nidap toy school out here. Umya pochuigamani tuiganiganam. Minoge ulnuitu vigasin. Ulnuigaman aglasia witu ahmao. Jamo really did you ankiredum wab konghaju vigasigitu. Na meigawa. But Bochi school oyere nigela 4 years ago I remember got the PhD ankiredum wab a week map nail paper. Dot deluidum wab I nemutis is an active dialogue. Do deli ang kide mu nemutis. Gino. Del klim chwan nemutis. Delim na, nemutis either into physical form or spiritual form. Melki ganana na moy kuswakan. Madagino mo deli de nemuk. Everything is interconnected. And nemutis is the most powerful word in my opinion because we're still communicating. Downing again, sit no ma kamu digi. So, keskum na Lillian Marshall nemuge. Remind all the Facebook ito. Michelle, you make sure you tell them we always have this language. So na nemoy, we can time limit nemoy. We always had this language. That's time immemorial. So, ewi gamanela prologue or author's note. Was kumakami padlias. It was my poetry book. Dissertation of Marid was on process and how they contributed, and they showed us paper. This is how I introduced what the priests actually showed our ancestors, how to preserve on paper instead birch bark, which is our original paper. And when I go do Bexide Marami, but at the same time, go do, I guess, reclaim the narrative of our ancestors. Important to ignamoy. Madadampas one, gisi gitched is all these textbooks from, and textbooks from the 1600s, like 1670s, when Christian Leclerc, Deluisi Badaliask, his Wigub autobiography. But in his autobiography, Mesimsid, Delwood, which Nado and Delimab, my traveler though, the Badalia saying, he was the Skami, cross, Ledigal, Udanmo, Domina Aglasio, what the squire gave. And he writes about this. He talks about, that there was a village and there was these crosses, and nobody met a white man before. Nabadlias Eliad at Nea Magicto Onu. Sure enough, Edigal do cross. Amna Aglasio before net, what the squire gave do. Na Agano de Mud. Delimaidal Badlias or Goichit Edigal cross. Nado Aish, the medicine person, Bewit Gusto, Gesnaguadis Nitos, Cushion, Delimuma, he got off the cross, certain spots of the village. Na Mektuajik, only Majik. And throughout the book, Gestelim would go Mektuajik, because Mugudu, Gudu Wanakalai. But at the same time, Wanakalajik, Ahmedokalaji, Wanakalajik, Ahmedokalaji. But that was the story. The Jabedic story, Dilwood, which blood not base, Donna Dan, it'll alasip, Gaspé region. The what the sky amigo knew, Ba Ale of Nestimidim, go Hajwigaskil Kisidwabum. Another listen seed. So really, when we go to Anum, which it's ours. William Marshall Delimit Ginuwe. Sahaladu. So when I started to write my poetry, important to reclaim the narrative. Even when I'm writing my dissertation, I'm trying to, blend in the narrative. And it was important because our ancestors. Because really, making a positive contribution to our historical narrative. Not from the Aglasio version, anyway. But this is educator, you're all educators. So excited days ago, we get this together. And so when I started to, do my workshops, Elia Wegoma Esisoni, Wahamatko, Bibanigesi, Chiksada Iskujinu, if they're, Dalide immediately like Lusuan, like Hajwigasigo. And I guess some people in Kuduigam and Hajwigasigo poem, delight, Naskujino. So I was better example. I have to create an example. And then maybe other people will write their own, essays or stories or, just let it roll the way we are as Onu because Smaroti and we're an amazing storytellers. And part of my process in this whole journey was just to plant seeds. Madam Muning Yapchunin can do the messages on how to read these symbols. Yes, I want people to know, going at la. Don't mum sit aladuan. Nagai kasara sinugaish dictionary. So, a bit nice done eloquat dictionary, people me gisel lugatanen. After I finish my PhD, I don't have that time right now. So maybe I'll do that process. But I'm not going to do it alone because all these, you guys, to me, you're Onu scholars. You're the equivalent of, scholarly level. Dan deze going nenemo. Professor Aish, he was part of this group. They created their own language. Now do it. I'm gonna do week, but what's Mi'kmaq language about? They need cheese midway and a Mi'kmaq language. To it go away. What do you mean? They need Facebook group. Let me ask a question, and I guarantee there'll be 100 hits and 100 different answers, and they'll all be right. Really? Yeah. What do you want to know? Not be running me a week question. Going at la. Sure enough. There was 100 different answers. This is how difficult the Mi'kmaq language is. But when you think about the language, because you do, family to family to family, edego dialecto. Amugisi besidate maukita, del in that family. Even in the same family. Because you marry into different families. And then you create new dialects, and you create new knowledge, So those things, we started to talk about, and then it made me wonder. Okay, but my background is in fine arts. I did my master's in education, and my PhD is philosophy of education and curriculum and implementation. So, as an artist, I decided to think like an artist when I wanted to plant seeds. Yes, when I neam, because na ajimit to go, because na tahoy minogay, do when somebody leaves, when we part ways. And that was, to me, was the only thing I could do. So I started to create a storyline. And my storyline was to be shared. Because tampas ko delugay mawidaik na, de kananga delugudi next 3 days mawidaik, sharing stories, sharing language, down la, because guarantee nado ang biko biludluedo nado ane asisoni go awego ma wa hamet ko awego member to for interestigo dialects but no de gamlamu aladu when it comes to our language. And so I thought, how can I make a difference? What is my role? So Awiga Manela, my poetry book, I started to think about words and the impact of words. Guess out how much do you love them? Tlum chwen wagaito, koichir wagaitat. You know, tlum chwen aish, you know, dallagoi kisku. Because nagoy eldu, et goy what are we going to cook together? So, nigama, ningasad miji, mawidajik for meals. We get together, we eat together. It's really nice. Sa delotaji nigama. Name grandfather Sliano. Sit Betidadisnan every Sunday. And all these stories from different generations would come out. You know, there's so many stories going on here. Everybody's talking over everybody, but it's like you're still together. So, but the language, words, energy. So, Ankidir Mabnemoy, when I started writing, poems, I started to think about the youth. So if you get a chance to get a copy of my book, you need to know that I thought about the youth. Because for over 20 years, I worked in the school system, and I worked with youth. Empowering. I wanted to empower them. And so it reaches multi-generations, these poems, but the hieroglyphic poems are for the next generation. And maybe for those who, you know, when you're feeling like it's for you, it's for you. Like I said, anyway, weekend because Pablo do song on a lot of what we do it. So what time we go Nick? I make Pablo with her pitcher of water. So passion, I guess that's part of the, you know, I was able to put it in writing. But guess kumna igawa nektet buboko yang kirirmab. So it's 30 years of work, really. It didn't come out overnight. It took many conversations. It took me visiting. It brought me home. Because Vancouver, we get up 27 years. Every summer, Bisintis. Every year, Bisintis. Bodlodek time. Make sure I have Edis Bodlodek time. Malyamadas Nuch. You know, and do the process of what we do as family. But Kasadamab Washku Elie Bodlodek. Because Ajijik Sadami Kisugu. Adalawaya Pasuk Chiksadai Kisugu. Atlimidat Nahoy Nido Chiden. Well, that's guys. Our little tribute, our honorary tribute, the video. The SG when he is Umidatki, but Nemiugi. So that process, the process of, you know, trying to understand, it's valuable. And I hope that every single one of you would be able to, because we're good walk to in. Well, I'll learn. Mag tonight, you must have an hour. Holy jumping, scoochie. Well, I'll in. In 20 I thought. Oh. You must say, Bodla there. Well, you Shirley? Bodla there. Oh, yes. La jana mo realize andle jixidal negna. Dalaida. Captaino. Majaida. Captain all the grand captain guys still only sutik. Do make it them up. Don Deluit, grand captain. megidere map. And Cluedo, on the Wisik, on the Wisik, on the Wisik, Mijuashi, on the Wisik, Tikigua, on the Wisik, Sitamia. Klajamasno, on the Dio, on the Wisik, on the Wisik, on the Wisik. Donna really is valuable down Delueda. So even a week again, you know, some my poems are in English. Because exchange, learning, teaching, and also nemido oraho e modeparano artuido also. I won't be offended. But at the same time, because I think exchange we acknowledge teachings, you know, apologize so if I offended anybody if you ever get a chance to read my book. But, oh, nervous audio. May kuno go get you to so, but well, Alio, I'm going to big you too, because you have a long day, and we have a lot to cover, and I hope that you enjoy Member 2 in the next 3 days, and enjoy each other's teachings and knowledge sharing, and everything that you're here for. Well, Alio.
Check 1, 2. Michelle. On behalf of everybody, on behalf of our nation, Mi'kmaq Nation, and everybody, thank you. Not only thank you for your talk today, but thank you for taking on that mission. Thank you for taking on that vision. Oh. Michelle, I'd like to thank you very much for planting the seeds, as you said. Thank you for sharing your stories. And what she said too, one heart. It's very important. And it's truly beautiful. So once again, how about a big round of applause for Michelle? The way of taking on today's society, and she's working towards her PhD, and at the same time, saving something that is very dear to all of us as people. The hieroglyphics, the ancient writing. So it's proof that today's society, and if you look at our flag, or the Grand Council flag, an elder, Janie Meter, passed on a message to me. And she said, you know what that flag talks about? It's not just a flag. And it's not just the Knights Templars flag reversed. They took it from us. Come on now, you know that. But if you look at it, it says, take today's knowledge with yesterday's knowledge, you'll go far in life. That's what it says right there. Yesterday's knowledge with today's knowledge, you'll go far. That's one thing that I learned here in Member 2. Senator Dan Christmas spoke about that in a video about Member 2. And if you want to see that video, the Member 2 Heritage Park is located right next door. And I like to remind everybody, gets 10% off at the gift shop because you're here at the conference. And the elders, you get 15% and no tax. We have CDs for sale. CDs for sale. We have 100 CDs over there featuring Emma Stevens and the Relatives, Second Generation, and more. All songs are featured in Mi'kmaq language. Jaime Batiste, right over there. Jaime Batiste. Also, Treaty Education. He's doing Treaty Education today. And also, I think he's doing something else. I'll let him talk about that one. He's got a big surprise. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I thought these were bingo cards, but they're not. This is your agenda. And if you look at your agenda, it's going to be amazing 3 days you have here. You have people, you got like superstars, rock stars. These are the elders. These are my role models. Oh my, Ernest Johnson and Noel Johnson, Albert Marshall, Terry Denny, Ramona Morris, Sharon Farrell, Barbara Sillaboy, Elizabeth Paul, Arlene Stevens, Cheryl Berube. I don't want to mess that up. Ruby. Oh, cool. Also, too, we have an elders lounge. So, ladies and at 10:45, all day for the next 3 sessions, you get to choose. And this is amazing. There's Glooscap C. Glooscap C is located right behind that door, I believe. Or is it that door? Oh, it's to the right. It's over there. I'll give you little new directions. Glooscap D is over there, or over there. If you go to Gajus and go around, and there's a hallway right over there. So just go over there and go around. You see that one? That's pretty good, eh? This just in. Michelle is selling her books in the hallway. How about another big round of applause for Michelle? Her books are for sale in the hallway. Also in the Gajus Corner office, we have an elders lounge all day. There'll be stories and sharing. That's on the other side. That's if you're going to the Hampton, right before there. Mi'kmaq room. I think that's the one over here next door. But if you don't know, look at this. There's a map in the back. Shows you where all the rooms are. Janu room, Gajus, catering, Glooscap. It's all right there in the back. So in the back, there's a map on the 3rd page. So the next 3 sessions, that's what we'll be doing. And at this time, you're going to have a short break. And at 10:45, you get to go into your own workshop. So at this time, is there any questions? What's downstairs? Trade fair. There's booths downstairs and clothes. Oh yes, also too. Look at this amazing swag that you're getting out there. Wow, look at that. I'm getting my Christmas gifts early. Or birthday gifts. That could be a Father's Day gift. And we'll have to get 3 of them for all my dads. So at this time, feel free, take a break, get a coffee, go to Tim Hortons. It's just over there. And make your way to one of these 6 different areas. One of 6 different areas. And then we'll see you all back here at lunchtime. Lunchtime. We have lunch that will be served in this room. Lunch will be served in this room. And it's going to be delicious. So we'll see you at lunchtime. Cue the music.